Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing this FabFitFun Summer 2022 box. I know I'm a little late to the party, but I had my reasons. For once, I got this bag for 40% off for only around $35. For those of you who don't know about FabFitFun, it's a seasonal subscription. You get one of these boxes every season for around $55. But if you pay upfront, you get each box for around $50 or $200 for a year. So the season members get to choose 4 of their 6 full-size products for the box, and the annual members can customize their complete box. I ordered this box in early July. By that time they had ran out of a few items, but it wasn't a big deal for me as I got everything I wanted. So let's dive into this. First of all, you get this magazine from FabFitFun that tells you a little about the items that you receive in your box, and it's a fun magazine. Then we have this coupon that we can give to our friends. They'll get $15 off of their first box when they join this subscription. For the first item, we have this handbag. This is from Samara. Samara is a vegan cruelty-free brand from Britain, and this is one of the main reasons I actually ordered this bag. I had watched hundreds of unboxings of this box, and this was the item that caught my attention the most, and I really wanted this. So there was one YouTuber who unboxed this box, and when she saw this bag, she said that this bag was a little smaller than her expectations, and I thought that maybe her expectations were a bit too high. But when it arrived, I realized that it was a bit smaller than my expectations as well, because I was hoping for a real handbag, but it's just a crossbody, but it's a pretty decent size. It can easily fit my wallet and my phone and a couple other stuff, so it's a good deal overall, so I'm not mad about it. So the second item I chose for myself was this scalp and body scrub from Away. It's a great brand, and I heard great things about it, and actually it didn't disappoint me. It shows great result every time I use it, and I'm really enjoying this product overall. So for the third item, we have this passport wallet from Michael Kors. This is a pretty decent style and very great material, and I'm really happy with this. I was gonna buy a wallet anyway, so I was really happy to find this, so I chose this immediately. For the fourth item, I think I got a little bit scammed, because in the fourth category there wasn't anything really that I wanted, so there was an option that I would let them choose the item for me, and they had written that they would choose a really nice product that they have never chosen for anyone, and I'll be pleasantly surprised and stuff. So what they chose for me was these pimple patches. So it was a little disappointing, as it was there in the choices as well. I could have chosen it myself, but all the other stuffs were like this. I didn't really need them, but it was a bummer, but it's not that big of a deal, I guess. So I'm really pretty happy with this bag, because I got great value for my money from rest of the items that I receive in this box. So for the fifth item they chose for me is actually pretty great. This is a Hava body cream. This is a full-sized item, and this is a pretty decent brand, and it retails for around $70, which is a little too much for a hand cream, I must say, but it shows really great result. I use it on my hands and on my feet, and it leaves them feeling really great. So I'm really happy with this product as well. So for the final item I received in this box is this tray. This is a pretty fun design, and it's really sturdy, and I'm getting a great use out of it too. So I'm pretty happy with my box overall. So these are all the items that we received in this box. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments down below, and stay tuned for other videos like this. Till next time, take care. Bye bye.